Good afternoon, guys. So today we have come to another restaurant, which is Viva Panjim. It is one of very famous restaurants in a region called Fontenas. Fontenas जैसे आप जानते होंगे आजकल बहुत इंस्टाग्राम पे very trending जगह है Fontenas. So यहाँ पे अलग colourful buildings हैं. So in between that there is a restaurant which is very famous. So we'll get in and we'll have some, we'll savor some dishes there and I will tell you about the food, how it tastes.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the
Hi. What's your name, baby?
and I really want us to be real with love.
So as I told you, the restaurant is highly recommended by a lot of people. This restaurant has been awarded numerous awards. So you can see here, and this is actually setting is a small. It's a house. It's a residence of a Portuguese family. You can see the architecture how it is. It's actually an old Portuguese house, and it's still maintained. So the restaurant is very famous for its Goan and Portuguese dishes, and I will definitely try some Portuguese dishes here. So yesterday we had caprial, today we'll try some vindaloo. So guys, हमने यहाँ पे मंगाया है एक सी फूड प्लाटर. पहले मैंने आपको दो रेस्टोरेंट्स दिखाए थे. वन वाज द पर्पल मार्टिनी विच वाज जो बहुत अच्छी जगह पे था, बहुत अच्छा लोकेशन था उसका. सेकंड वाज विनायक रेस्टोरेंट विच वाज very authentic Goan cuisine which we tried, and the third which is this Viva Panjim. This is in a very beautiful Portuguese house and the dishes are really authentic. See the presentation how they are. So this one is the chonak fish, which is the white snapper. This is some grilled prawns in butter garlic sauce. This one is the kingfish with masala fry, and this is some prawn curry, and this is some Goan rice. This is typical Goan rice जो थोड़ा सा thick है size में, but it is having a very nice and unique flavor to it. So let's try, guys. And we have also ordered some chicken for Piyu, some chicken leg chops, and let's taste. So guys, I have plated my food. This is the Goan prawn curry, which is a very authentic and on the Goan rice. This one is the, as I told you, the kingfish with masala fry. These are some butter garlic prawns. This is the fish, local fish here, chonak, which is a white snapper. So first I'll try the chonak fish, white snapper.
You say slow down. I don't like to.
वाओ, ऊपर इसके रवा का फ्लेवर आ रहा है, क्रिस्प, और उसके अंदर काफ़ी मैरिनेशन करी हुई है फ़िश की, और बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर है फ़िश का. और एज आई एम अ फिश लवर, दिस इज़ अ नाइस, very juicy fish. This one is the kingfish. Very different in taste. White snapper is a kind of a fish which is less in flavor, but if I say kingfish, that is having a blast of flavors inside the palate. So strong flavor of kingfish versus the mild flavor. So chonak is a mild flavor fish. Now I'll taste the butter garlic. Wow, awesome. Slightly sweet but perfect in flavorings. The garlic flavor is bang on, and the butter is giving the smoothness of the flavors.
More of me.
ये बताता हूँ खा के आपको कैसी है. Overall the food is amazing here. I think one should come here and try all these dishes. मैं आपको honestly बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत tasty खाना है. The tanginess of the kokum which is coming inside the prawn curry is amazing. Excellent. Amazingly cooked prawns, very fresh. So the first thing which is observed here is the freshness of the seafood. The fish, the prawns and everything which we have ordered is completely very fresh. The freshness of the prawns is definitely uplifting the whole dish. And I really like these Goan rice. They are like, if I have seen risotto rice like arborio, similar rice to it. So nice. 100 out of 100. Cheers in Goa.
You say slow down. I don't like to move.
So we have also ordered a chicken leg chop. So यहाँ की this is the dish. You can see the masala बहुत flavorful है ये. मैं वो खा के बताता हूँ. It is not like a normal grilled chicken. It's something very different. There's a crispy crust on top, and inside is like very buttery, very soft. And there are Goan masalas, which are some Goan masalas, but something very continental. बहुत बढ़िया. तो जो भी मैंने अभी तक ऑर्डर किया है, सारा बढ़िया लगा है. भाई चिकन खा के देख मजा आ गया.
My cares behind. And now the time has passed. I see why we are lonely. Ooh, should've let me speed it up. You could've had more of me. Oh.
Guys, I just wanted to tell you, when I was coming to Viva Panjim, I thought that it will be a very expensive restaurant. However, it's not. Look at the amount of food we have ordered. There's seafood platter, there's chicken. We have ordered some drinks also, and it is quite affordable. I will not say very low cost, but yes, as per the dishes which we have ordered, it's quite affordable and very nice. So I think highly recommended. You should come here and try. If you really want to have some good Portuguese food or Goan food, you should come here and you should try this.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not.
I really enjoyed my food. Every dish, starting from the seafood to chicken to even the mashed potato, was very delicious. So I think it is highly recommended. You come here, and this region is also a very nice region. This is called the Fontenas. Colorful buildings, totally Instagrammable. So come here and enjoy your lunch or dinner. Do like, subscribe and share my videos. भाई बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. देखो बच्चा है साथ में है, ठीक है, थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. तो प्लीज़ आप मेरी वीडियोस, अगर कोई कमेंट भी है, अगर आपको लगता है कोई फीडबैक्स देना है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट, सो आई कैन इम्प्रूव माई वीडियोस. ओके, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.
Only